Build golden ratio artwork directly inside Adobe Illustrator. GoldenShapes gives you instant access to spirals, grids, diagonals, Fibonacci layouts, and sacred geometry. Generate clean vector structures on new artboards with precise document size, margins, divisions, and rotation controls. Create Fibonacci boxes in seconds, then adjust the count, direction, and mirror options while the artwork updates. Add Fibonacci numbers inside the layout to guide composition, spacing, proportion, and visual hierarchy. Switch to Fibonacci circles and build balanced circular systems with the same fast, editable workflow. Customize every shape style with per-shape stroke colors, giving each construction its own clear visual language. Generate document grids, base guides, and proportional layouts for branding, logos, posters, icons, and pattern design. GoldenShapes, precision geometry, ready when you are.